Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called LUMENS XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. These factors could propel a change in Stellar's long-term trend. Since May of last year, Stellar, XLM, observed a steady downtrend, while it marked lower peaks, while maintaining the 13-month-long support at the $0.195 mark. Considering the bullish comeback over the last month, and the rejection of lower prices, a likely close above the $0.2217 mark would propel a test at the upper trend line of the down channel, that coincided with the 50 EMA sign. At press time, XLM traded at $0.2195. XLM daily chart. Ever since XLM struck its 3-year high on 16 May 2021, it steeply turned downward and traded between the 19 cents 39 cents range for over related to Web3 to date, which accounted for more than half of the deployed capital. Web3 is one of our central theses from a macro perspective within games at Tuasto. It's our view that the enablement of digital asset ownership within games may be the single most important technological unlock in the history of games. Investments for Griffin's Fund 2 came from major institutions, university endowments, family offices, sovereign wealth funds and strategic partners in the gaming industry, Tuasto told CoinDesk. Griffin Gaming was founded in 2019 by Sanderson, Tuasto and Peter Levin, with Liontree a boutique M&A firm where Tuasto serves as managing director as a strategic partner to Griffin. Griffin invests in seed-to-growth rounds for game content, software infrastructure and social platforms, as well as gaming-related Web3 companies. Forward, as there was a cluster of bidding orders around today's lows near 22 cents. To the upside, $0.240 could operate as the next major resistance area, but bulls could breach through these levels if they manage to sustain momentum. The CPI print was higher than expected with a 7.5% and will continue to be a macroeconomic risk for XLM bulls and crypto bulls. The bullish case for XLM and the Stellar ecosystem. XLM's recent price action could be supported by several bullish developments on the Stellar ecosystem. Danelle Dixon, CEO at the Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, summarized some of the use cases hosted on this ecosystem and impacting the real world. First, Dixon mentioned the partnership with MoneyGram, which has allowed the payment company to provide its user cards to spend in a variety of ways: retail goods and services, restaurants, travel. They're increasingly being treated as a general-purpose account. Competition. What is noteworthy is Visa seeing spiking payment volume despite market volatility, according to the CFO. With that being said, competitor MasterCard had also announced a partnership with back in October 2021 to provide crypto payment integration. Now, as per the report, MasterCard and crypto exchange Gemini is on the way to launch a crypto reward-bearing card. On the other hand, another competitor, American Express, might not be too keen to launch a crypto-linked card, CFO Jeff Campbell made this clear on the company's latest earnings call. And the second news today is Ripple competitor announces plans to roll out smart contracts in 2022. Ripple competitor Stellar, XLM, is announcing plans to roll out smart contracts later this year. Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, ecosystem head Justin Rice, says smart contracts will enable a new suite of products and services on Stellar. There's a lot of work to be done to get there, but at SDF, we're committed to researching and shepherding the development of the code and creating community engagement around and implementation. The goal is to have Stellar remain one of the most accessible networks for developers, so they can deliver high-quality and safe applications to their users, while also allowing it to adapt and respond to the competitive blockchain landscape. Stellar is an open network for storing and moving money. The project's native token, XLM, is used as a bridge currency between two fiat currencies when sending money abroad. XLM is trading at $0.192945 at time of writing, down 2.37% in the past 24 hours. Tomer Weller, the vice president of tech strategy at Stellar, outlines the rough timeline for smart contract implementation in a new tweet. We're aiming for a feature-complete test network by the end of 2022. Ultimately, the ecosystem will decide if and when to turn on smart contracts on Stellar. In October, the SDF announced a new partnership with the payments giant MoneyGram to use the Stellar blockchain to facilitate cross-border payments. MoneyGram had previously entered into a partnership with Ripple, a Stellar competitor, in June 2019 for foreign exchange settlements and cross-border payments. However, the payments giant suspended its use of XRP payments this past February in the wake of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC lawsuit against Ripple. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023. XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025. XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. XLM rate prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums.